Šljivovica.
All through Yugoslavia, folks in towns and country relied, still do, on two universal age-old remedies. Chamomile tea and Šljivovica, our famous plum brandy. Both are applied topically and internally, especially the latter, depending on malaise. Brandy's alcohol purifies, disinfects by burning, and chamomile soothes by settling an upset stomach or a topical swelling. During the 1980s Winter Olympic Games in Sarajevo, a roving TV reporter in search of local color tested this theory in a brandy producer's orchard outside Sarajevo. After taking a first fiery sip, he testily asked through the interpreter, "What is Šljivovica good for?" The ruddy-faced host, with superior chuckle under his handlebar mustache and an age-old wisdom, instructed the interpreter, "Tell him it's good for everything."